Okay guys, I'm going to be looking at oil. I'm about to go into market now on a scalp. So let me just crack that order in while we are just having a little bit of a chat. Drop that there. It's only going to be 10 pips for this hour. So just drop that above it. All right, let me flick this over so you can see it. As I say, I've just dropped the order in above that candle. Now, I'm doing this for Maxwell. It's running on from yesterday. So we had a little bit of a chat yesterday, and we've done it again this morning, and it's for this little chap here. So let's salute to you. Did the initial breakdown here, and now I've dropped it over into the tracker, and I run it each hour so they can see what's going on from time to time. And then I also put it in the update, which I start at 7 in the morning, and then I run it through, and this is what it's come up at. Okay, so what it's essentially telling me to do is just scalp it. It's telling me it's risky, but it's also telling me to buy this product. Okay, so I'm looking mainly to buy it rather than anything else, even though the low time frames are pushing down. But that's a good thing, believe it or not, because you should buy into red candles and sell into green ones. Okay, so you're sort of buying low, selling high, if you like. Now, if we look at this particular market, it has pushed up, it's come back down somewhat, and it's in a range, and it's in and around this area. Now, it could well push down into here, but in the short term, it's going to react against this particular candle here, which is what it appears to be trying to do. Now, if I drop it into 15 minutes, we can see that a little bit more clearly. Solid push down into the base of here, and then it'll look to sort of react and then slam back up into it. Now, ideally, I would have liked to have seen a full 15-minute close above there, but it's got into it slightly quicker than I anticipated, because I wanted to pull it down a little bit. But not overly worried, not at this moment in time. And if I need to, I can sort of just manipulate a little bit and then try and get into the trade. So let me play it out a little bit and we'll see what happens. Okay, Maxwell, that was for you there, Baldy Chops. Let me just quickly take my tickets off, make certain I've got everything out. So that's done, and there's the 50 quid on oil. It was a simple premise, a little bit of patience, just planned it, stuck to my guns, and the job is done. Trading ain't difficult as long as you plan it out, and that's it. So there you go, little lad. Did that for you. Keep them coming, and I'll keep going to chart for you. Catch you soon.